today I wanna introduce you a wonderful toner which you are all able to provide it in your own home. This toner is provided from yellow chamomile and jasmine. They have antimicrobial and antifungal feature that can wipe out skin's entire contaminations, refreshing the skin. The chamomile extract is suitable to cure sores and to prevent sunburns. If you want to deeply clean your skin pores, then you have to use this toner. Just pour some amount of yellow chamomile flower and purple jasmine into the pot. Adding it a glass of water and let it on a low heat from 10 minutes. Allow it to boil so the flower's extract gets separated completely. And using a strainer, you can separate the extract, pouring it into a spray glass. The toner is ready now. Spray it on your skin and clean your face after a minute with your cosmetic pads. This is its wonderful effects. I hope you like this tutorial video. Until the next time.
Oh, wow! Wow!